Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. My name is Jasdeep Kaur, also known as Kenny Gogia. I am the holistic health coach. We often think spirituality and financial success are separate. One is about inner peace and the other about material wealth. But the truth is, they are deeply connected. Today's Hukamnama from Shri Darbar Sahib Amritsar by Shri Guru Amar Das Ji at tongue 664 of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji gives us a powerful insight. The way we handle money is directly linked to our spiritual practices. Tanasri Mahalla Tija, Sada Tan Antar Naam Samale. Guruji says, gather in and cherish forever the wealth of the Lord's name deep within. So Guruji says, store the real wealth within you. This means true wealth is not what's in your bank, but what's inside you. It's not just about how much you earn, but how much you handle it with wisdom, honesty, and detachment. Now let's understand how it has financial and spiritual connection. People who attach their identity to wealth live in constant fear of loss. And those who see money as a tool, not a master, use it wisely and stay peacefully. So let's take some example here. Warren Buffett still lives in a modest house despite his billions because he values financial discipline over material excess. There are many saints, many spiritual leaders, many young people nowadays. They are financially independent because they manage resources wisely even while being detached. So this verse has a beautiful lesson that just as Naam, the spiritual wisdom, gives stability to mind, financial discipline gives stability to life. So save, invest and spend mindfully, not emotionally. Guruji further says, Jiya Jant Jinhe Pratipale, which means he cherishes and nurtures all beings and creatures. So Guruji says the one who created all beings also provides for them. Nature never panics. The birds, they don't hoard food, yet they are fed daily. But what about human beings? We hoard, we stress, we fear. So let's understand this words too has financial and spiritual connection. Spiritual people, they trust the process, just as they trust Vaheguruji. They trust in patience and long-term financial planning. And what about the anxious mind? They make bad money decisions, panic spending, unnecessary loans, or very risky investments. For example, people who panic in financial crisis often make rush decisions that lead to bigger losses. And the people who stays calm, they plan wisely. They build lasting wealth because they understand money, like life, needs patience. So this verse too has beautiful lesson for us. Trust in divine timing and long-term financial planning. Avoid greed and fear. They make you spiritually and financially unstable. So Guru Amar Das Ji is giving us a very, very clear message here. True wealth is a balance of inner wisdom and outer responsibility. So my dear friends, Naam and financial discipline, they go hand in hand. One brings peace to the soul and the other brings peace to life. So earn with honesty, spend with wisdom, give with gratitude and live with contentment. So now the big question is, are you mastering money or is money mastering you? So implement today's Hukamnama in your day-to-day life and then you share your experiences with me. Take care, be balanced, be happy. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.